3D Thursday, we talked a little bit about getting the settings just right for supporting raft material in our slicers. And I thought I'd show a good example of what that looks like. So as you can see, it was really clean and easy. So I've had a lot of people tell me before that they won't use rafts because it's too much work. It causes a lot of post-processing cleanup and it's hard to get removed. But with the right settings, as you can see, it's super simple. It popped right off. And take a look. This is the raft material right here. And as you can see, it's very clean. And so was the model. That was along this edge right here. So there's hardly any post-processing we have to do, just light sanding like everything else on here, nothing crazy. And again, it popped right off. The other thing was the support material right here. It was right underneath this little knob piece right here. So it just was there to support this while it was printing so it could stand freely. And again, there's virtually no markings on this model for that. So it's a great way to go once you get it set up. And we'll talk more about that in a future article and live 3D Thursday. So join us then and let us know if you've had success with both rafts and supports being able to pop right off like this. Or let us know if you have any questions on how to set it up right for your printer. Thank you.